immune system is the basic defense system of our body that protects us from harmful pathogens and any kind of infections. Every day we encounter a huge number of bacteria, viruses and other disease-causing organisms. The main route of entry is through the air we breathe, through our skin and through the food we ingest. We have three layers of defense system in our body, which are barrier immunity, innate immunity, adaptive or acquired immunity. Each layer consists various mechanisms. When one layer is failed, the mechanism of the layer below will come into action until the attack is successfully controlled. Gut is our defense training academy, and our gut microbiomes are the training faculties of our immune system. Hi, I'm Dr. Aparna Satish. In two ways, our immune system can be compromised. One is over-exhausted immune system and immune cells, and the second can be due to the gut dysbiosis. Now let's see how over-exhausted immune system and immune cells can lower our immunity. In our modern world, due to the changes in lifestyle and our food habits, our body's toxic exposure is very high and our immune cells are working hard 24/7 for us with a high alertness in detecting, identifying and killing the invading pathogens. In the long run, our immune cells become exhausted and fail to do its functions properly and can lead to hyperactivity or underactivity of the immune responses that can manifest in the form of various diseases. Underactive or weakened immune system can lead to viral infections and other diseases. On the other hand, an overactive immune responses can lead to different problems like allergic reactions, asthma, eczema, allergic rhinitis, food allergies, etc. and autoimmune diseases like psoriasis, multiple sclerosis, inflammatory bowel diseases, Hashimoto's thyroiditis, etc. Now let's see how gut dysbiosis can affect our immune system. As we have just discussed, the gut microbiomes are the training faculties who train our immune cells to distinguish our friends and enemies and also teach them not to attack our own body. Due to the less strains of good bacteria and more strains of bad bacteria in our gut, or the imbalance in the gut microbiomes, the training becomes inadequate and our cells starts recognizing our own cells as enemy and start attacking. Now let's see how we can enhance our immune functions and balance our gut microbiota naturally. The first and foremost thing what you can do is consume more healthy fats. The best food source of healthy fat is coconut oil and coconut. This is one of the best immune booster which is rich in lauric acid. Coconut oil is the second best source of lauric acid after mother's milk. Lauric acid is one kind of medium chain triglycerides and 45 to 50% of the fat in the coconut is lauric acid, which makes coconut oil one of the best food sources of the fat. Lauric acid has a superior immune modulating property. Many studies have revealed that conversion of lauric acid into a biologically active molecule named monolaurin effectively kills the disease-causing bacteria, virus and fungi. Research shows that daily requirement of lauric acid is about 10 to 20 grams per day. Other sources are fresh grated coconut and coconut milk. We recommend regular consumption of at least 2 teaspoons of coconut oil in a day as a part of a healthy balanced diet and lifestyle. This can be used as a salad oil or as a seasoning oil in a dessert to impart a pleasant nutty aroma. Another healthy fat which is essential to be added in our diet is omega-3 fatty acid, which helps in fighting the cellular inflammation. Second thing, eating more fermented foods also will help to improve your immunity. Fermented foods are nothing but rich sources of beneficial bacteria called probiotic. Probiotic can add back the helpful bacteria and inhibit the growth of harmful gut bacteria. Also boost the level of immune cells in the mucous membrane of the intestine. The rich sources of probiotics are yogurt, cheese, fermented vegetables and sauerkraut. Third thing what you can do is include more rainbow color fruits and vegetables in your diet. Rainbow color fruits, vegetables, nuts and seeds are rich in antioxidants and balanced nutrients which will prevent the harmful pathogens. Citrus fruits are a must in your diet. These fruits are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for boosting your immune system and fighting off colds and infections. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which aids the digestion of proteins and allows your body to utilize immune boosting amino acids effectively. Pumpkin seeds are a rich source of zinc, which is a mineral well known for supporting a strong and healthy immune system. And the fourth thing which will help to boost your immunity is fasting. Latest research suggests that fasting flips off a regenerative switch which promotes stem cells to create brand new white cells, essentially regenerating the entire immune system. Scientists found that prolonged fasting reduces the enzyme protein kinase A, which is linked to aging, and a hormone which increases the cancer risk and the tumor growth. Fifth thing which affects your immunity is sleep. So adequate rest and sleep is very important to keep your immune function better. 6 to 8 hours of sound sleep is ideal for boosting your immunity. And the sixth factor is exercises. Moderate regular exercises help flush bacteria out of the lungs and airways. This may reduce your chance of getting a cold, flu or other illness. Exercise causes changes in antibodies and white blood cells of the immune system that fight diseases. So during the exercises, the antibodies or WBCs circulate more rapidly, so they could detect illness earlier than they might have before. The brief rise of body temperature during and right after exercise may prevent bacteria from growing. This temperature rise may help the body to fight infection better.